guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can give access on Google Forms. For instance, you want somebody to edit this with you, select the send and then select add editor, and you can enter the emails here, and you can enable restricted, so only people with access can open with the link, I guess, so that they can edit. And then you're just going to type in like an email here, for instance this one, and then you can select editor and you can message them or even copy the link, and you're just going to send it, and they're going to be notified. Or you can also, if you want to give like access to like everyone to like fill them in without having to type their email, go to settings, go to responses go to responses and select do not collect email addresses. And then if you go to, I think that's where it should be. And also when you select send, select do not collect as well, so that they don't need an email, I think, to respond to your Google form. They can just click the link and respond. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!